If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste.
Indian festival of colors Holi is around the corner. And no festival is complete without delicious food. And today I will share a snack that is a chaat item that you can make and serve during your Holi break. That is crispy basket chaat or Tokri chaat. Please note the ingredients needed to make basket chaat. List is also given in description below. First of all, we will make the baskets. For that, take all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl, add in some salt or namak and clarified butter or desi ghee. So today, as we are going to bake these baskets, we will need extra amount of shortening, that is desi ghee. If you need to fry, you may use only a quarter cup of ghee. So mix everything well like this and you should be able to form balls like this, which is easily breakable. Now, using very little water at a time, teaspoon by teaspoon, knead a stiff dough. The amount of water may vary upon the type of flour that you have. Knead a stiff dough, cover and keep this dough aside for about half an hour. After half an hour, the dough is ready. Work it or knead it on a work surface for a couple of seconds. Then make equal size balls out of this dough. So I made 12 balls. Smooth out each ball and roll it into a flat bread. You may use drops of oil if needed. So the thickness of this flatbread or tortilla should be like this, neither too thick nor too thin. Take a muffin mold because we are going to bake these baskets. Oil the muffin molds, gently lift this flatbread, very carefully put it in molds like this. Do not worry if you have some folds. And when you are done, take a fork and prick this basket inside the muffin mold. We do this so that these do not puff up or become like ball or puri, because we just want them flat. When all are done in this fashion, put them in the oven, which was already preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Bake them for about 8 minutes initially. Bake until they turn golden. So increase the time by 2 minutes in case you need to bake more. When done, let this baskets cool down and then you can start the plating of basket chaat. These are the cool baskets and here we have tamarind chutney. You may want to check the recipe on my channel, and this is my jaljeera paste. Check out the recipe too. I use it as a chutney in this chaat filling. Finely chopped cucumber, this is to your taste. Chopped boiled potato, some save or nylon save for garnish, and this is thick yogurt or gada dahi, in which I have added some sugar, boiled sprouts and some pomegranate seeds for garnish. For the condiments, we would like to add red chilli powder and chaat masala. So this is again homemade chaat masala. You may want to check out the recipe on my channel. So let's start the plating. So baskets on a plate. Inside put some chopped boiled potato, some sprouts that were boiled with some salt. On this add in yogurt which is beaten well and has some sugar into it. Add some cucumber. This is to your taste, I told you. If you do not like, just avoid it. Some chaat masala and red chili powder. This is to your taste. Now that green chutney that I told you is jaljeera paste. Check out the recipe up here. And some tamarind chutney. A drop of yogurt again to give it a nice contrast look. Some pomegranate seeds and finally some save for the garnish. So this crispy, tasty basket chaat is ready to be served. Serve it to your guests when they come to celebrate Holi at your place. These baskets can be made ahead of time and stored in an airtight container so that they stay crisp and fresh. Enjoy this basket chaat any day, anytime with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.